get some waters and stuff. I got the rucksack with me. There's a coffee shop in there. I'm gonna go get some real coffee too. And then just come back, work out, and hang out. We made it into town. We'll make a couple stops, and then we'll head back. It's an outlet mall, so we've got a good variety of stores. We're here. Well, we found the outlets. We gotta find the coffee shop. Found a chocolate factory. What the hell? Found an Express Men's factory outlet. Get some sleeveless shirts for $1 million. So the Men's Express didn't have any tank tops. So I went over to Nike. They didn't have any tank tops, but they had shirts for $10. It was an outlet. Got 2 shirts. I'll cut the sleeves off when I get back. I found a deli shop with fire sandwiches. Mine's falling apart. So, couldn't find a coffee shop. Lady at the deli told me apparently it's a bogus sign because they're 2 miles more into town, which I'm not walking when I kind of have coffee. But we got some waters. We've got some snacks, happy birthday to me, and then I got a flashlight because I broke mine, and now we're walking back to the bus. We're back, Casa de Skeletour. We're back from town. We got a bunch of waters, some for me, some for the dogs, some tin foil because I need that for my food, and a flashlight since I broke mine. I also got myself some flips. This is my birthday treat. The gas tank's not even halfway empty, so we're still chilling. The AC's on, it's nice in here. I'm just gonna hang out for the day, man. I'm gonna work out later, but right now I'm gonna play some Fortnite with Albert or something. Nike store didn't have any sleeveless shirts either, so I just got a couple of these cheap $10 shirts. I mean, I'm gonna touch that one up, but I just cut the sleeves off. I mean, $10 for this one and this one, not bad. The sleeves cut off easy too. Hey, that's good enough to work out in. All day, Thor doesn't want to go in the back of the bus. He wants to go outside. I finally go to take him outside, and now he's in the back of the bus and doesn't want to go out. I don't know, man. But that walk was humid, hot. The gas station I normally go to was sold out of gas. It's the second one on this trip. So I had to go across the interstate to the other gas station. And at the first one, I had already bought 3 gallons of water, thinking I wasn't getting gas. So I had 3 gallons of water in my right arm and another bag of flips because it's my birthday and I deserve it after that walk. And 5 gallons of gas in my left hand. It was like doing, I've been saying a quarter of a mile, but I think about a half mile to 3/4 of a mile. I have to look it up tomorrow. Farmer's carries or farmer's walks, whatever they're called. And it sucked. I'm probably not gonna be able to move my arms tomorrow. If I do get on the road, driving is gonna suck. Pretty uneventful day since I had to go into town and get more gas and get supplies. I didn't really get to eat much today because time got away from me again, which is crazy considering I've just kind of been sitting around. But we're just making a late dinner right now. The boys are already in bed for the night, and then I'll watch a little TV and then go get the generator, shut it off, bring it in, and head to bed. Alright, so last day at the shop, another cutoff that I had to make because it was hot outside. The garage has my tire, they have my wheels, they have my lug nuts. They had to order a new caliper and caliper bracket because it was flat from sliding on the road. And then I don't think we ended up ordering a new rotor, but I did need to order 8 new studs because mine were fucked up. So they also said that the bottom of the main bracket was kind of flat but not down to the threads, so they're going to tack weld it just to get on the road, and it's going to be fine. We'll drive it before we go, and if it is a problem, they're going to have to replace the whole axle, which will be fucking terrible. But they don't think that'll be the case. So I'm looking at like $1,100, $1,200, which sucks. It's a lot of money. But we're gonna get it done. A couple people have actually already sent me money on Venmo, and I do really appreciate it because that's all going towards the bus. And then if people keep sending me money after the bus gets fixed, that'll kind of replace the money that I had to spend on the bus so I can actually survive out in California. But I appreciate everybody, friends, family, fans, people I don't even know. It means a lot. And right now we're just hanging out, playing some Xbox. AC's going, generator's going. Parts will be here at 2 o'clock. It is now 11:15, so we have a couple of hours to go. I'm not going to make any trips into town because I'm all set on gas and stuff. Next time you guys see me, hopefully I'll be on the road and getting out of Williamsburg, Iowa. Psych! Super uneventful day. I've literally just been sitting here playing Xbox all day because I'm expecting to leave and hit the road. They put a new rotor on, a new caliper, new studs. They just got the new lug nuts in. They got the tires and the rims mounted, and they're the wrong rims. There's about a half an inch or a quarter of an inch, I forget what he said, gap where the caliper is rubbing against the rim. Obviously we can't have that, so I'm looking like shit, which is crazy because I'm sleeping fucking great in here. But he said that the new wheels will be here tomorrow. So another day we gotta wait to get back on the road, but it also looks like I'm gonna have to take another trip into town tonight to get more gas for the generator. But this time I'm gonna bring my rucksack, so that way I don't have to carry and be doing farmer carries the whole way up the road again. But it is what it is, man. So we are just lacing back up to head into town for the last time, for the real last time this time, to get some gas, get some food, and some more waters. These dogs go through water like crazy, and so do I. So I got the bag this time. I didn't bring it last night, and my arms are so sore right now. I got a Warzone tournament that I'm gonna do with the boys tonight. Unfortunately, I can't stream it, which, you know, always sucks. We will get that figured out. I think when I stay at a campground, they'll have Wi-Fi there already, so I can just kind of bounce off that, and we'll get it popping. We'll figure it out. So yeah, gas, food, water. I gotta get a new gas tank because there's a hole in mine. It's a whole long story. I'll explain when I get back, but I'll see you in a little bit. Just taking the dogs out one at a time again because, you know, Thor's figuring out that AC. He realizes how nice it is. It's also bright as hell, so that's why I'm always squinting when I record these outside. Of course, I forgot my sunglasses back in Mass. I gotta hit up Shady Rays again at the plug and get another pair for my trip. Man, I can't wait to never be in this town again or see this highway ever again. Just kidding. I'm gonna end up taking I-80 the whole way home from California when I do go home. But this little strip right here, I am not gonna miss walking this whatsoever, because it's friggin' 7:20 and it's still hot and sunny and I'm sweating my balls off. I mean, I don't mind sweating and being hot and I love the sun, but at 7 o'clock at night, I like that, like, late summer, cool, you know, warm outside but not sweating like crazy night. That's like a drink a beer by the campfire type of night. This is like go work out and cut weight type of weather. Like, damn. So the gas can I got was a little bit smaller than I thought it was going to be. It's a gallon. I thought it was going to be 2.5 gallons. It's not. So I think I have like a tiny bit of gas left in my can, but that hole in it is why I didn't want to fill it. I've got gas in the generator and now this. So I should be able to make it through for today and then into tomorrow morning, get the new tires, and then drive to like a Walmart and get a real gas can. I'm fucking sweating. I am sweating like crazy. But consider this a good workout. It's like a half a farmer's carry. I also have 3 gallons of water in my rucksack. And I bought some more flips. Because I'm busting my ass just to get water for my dogs. Granted, it's my job. I need an excuse because I'm not going to be able to eat this shit when I'm at AKA. We are back for hopefully the last time. There's a little hill right in front of the garage. That shit sucks. But we're home, quote unquote. Hey-oh! Williamsburg Tire and Service. Gotta love it. Alright, we got a couple games in with the boys. We did a little Warzone tournament with this little website called Z League, and we got 3rd place, so that's cool. It was a free cash entry, so I think we get like $20, which, whatever, $20 to play some Warzone, I'm in. Now I'm just gonna watch some Last Airbender, make some food, head to bed until tomorrow, and hopefully hit the road.
Hey, are you there? I'm over here. Follow my voice. Never mind. I'll find you.
Alright, dinner was bomb, per the usual. I got pretty fucking tired. Generator's still going. I just locked it outside and filled it with more gas, just so I could empty that old tank. Fraser's sleeping here. He's gonna be my pillow tonight. Yes, this is really how we sleep, even at home, not just in the bus. And I'm watching some more Avatar: The Last Airbender till I pass out. And then tomorrow morning is going to be the real last day at this garage in Williamsburg, Iowa. I'm out of iced coffee in the fridge, so I need to go get real coffee tomorrow. And then we will hit the road. We will go to Nebraska for a couple hours. We'll hit the road again. We'll go to Sacramento and see my boy Tyler Diamond at Team Alpha Male, and then we'll be at AKA for a long period of time. Game plan, 1, 2, 3, see you tomorrow.